A very good afternoon, Team Zimbabwe, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And this afternoon, let us talk about important matters. There is a report which is coming from KwaRusape St. Faith Boys High, where school kids allegedly were caught in a crossfire. I don't know how to describe it because of the sensitivity of this story, but school kids, there were allegations that school kids were beaten by dogs. And let us take a look on what Zinasu had to report regarding this whole issue. So I'm trying to be very careful with words right here because Zimbabwe, especially which involves zvinhu zvese zvine chekuita nepolisi so vamene zvazvinoita. Let us take a look onto this video, Team Zimbabwe, because I don't want to say much regarding this issue.
Demonstrate against you.
Exactly, we are demonstrating against you.
I just say you now.
Mission school. It was meant for the poor. What could we are Tita Marine?
So it said in Zimbabwe that the school kids had to protest because of some fees hikes. I do not know what the school authorities are trying to achieve, but if you see police being deployed just for kids, in my own view, this is embarrassing. You cannot deploy school kids on police on school kids. It's embarrassing, Team Zimbabwe. So this is the reason why you see the whole country becoming radical and becoming political. Is because of such actions where kids are supposed to demonstrate and you see the police being deployed, riot police instead being deployed. Instead of the police to be deployed to protect the kids, the police has been deployed to actually stop the kids. And it's said, Team Zimbabwe, we hope to see how the police is going to respond to this issue because it's live on camera. Everyone managed to see this part where a school kid was attacked by a vicious dog, and it's not proper, Team Zimbabwe, for us to have such a situation in our nation. So it is what it is, Team Zimbabwe. I do not know what you think. This is the most sad event I've ever seen in my life, and I hope and believe that these kids are going to be okay. And let us continue to monitor the situation and see what happens next.